Let's talk about our curvy bag. You buy the templates, you follow the written instructions. There's just so many things that you can do, especially if you put sizing in it. What a really, really cool project. For the longest time, people have wanted a die cut support for the AccuQuilt, so Martelli made one. It's as easy as just lining this up with the AccuQuilt. The die cuts, they come out and they're supported by this platform. Let's talk about scallops. Fast, easy, fun, and 100% accurate. So we're gonna take this right here. We're gonna turn this just like so. We're gonna make a cut here. We're gonna make a cut here. You cut the material, you sew it together, and you have a completed quilt.
Every single one of these is a 1/2 inch. You're gonna tilt that blade to get in, and you literally can go backwards and forward. One perfect inch strip, but I have no elbows because the tools do not move on me.
Having that foot pedal riser is going to make time just slide on by, and you're just going to be able to get so much more done because you're going to be more comfortable in doing the craft that you absolutely love.